Reading practice number 9. Dear Mr. Harrington, it is with considerable reluctance that I send you my resignation as in corresponding secretary and treasurer of the Nashville Town Club, paragraph. Dr. Mildred Lang, my physician, tells me that I have developed a slight heart condition, and she suggests that I curtail my activities immediately, period. Under the circumstances, I believe that I must tender my resignation, paragraph. I am, of course, sorry to do this, period. However, I am delighted to be able to report that I can turn over to my successor a set of records that is in particularly good condition, period. This morning, our books were audited by Mr. Michael Polaski of Buckingham Associates, period. He told me that he found everything to be in superb shape, paragraph. I will certainly work closely with my successor to ensure an orderly transfer of my responsibilities, period. Sincerely yours,